let us understand how to use a function in Excel. These are the conditions we are supposed to produce, and this is the data. Okay, let us start. So, if these numbers are greater than or equal to 1000, then it is good. If these numbers are greater than or equal to 700, then it should be captured as good. And if these numbers are less than or equal to 500, then it should be captured as poor. Closing all the bracket gets, yes, C. Now why it is false? Because we are saying in formula as 500. See here. Okay. So if we are capturing it here as a 600, it will get changed. Hope you have liked it. Please subscribe to know all such beautiful